Have you ever found yourself struggling to stand up from a chair or carry a bag of groceries that once felt light as a feather? Do your legs feel weaker even though you're trying to stay active? If so, you're not alone. For many people over 60, muscle loss isn't just an inconvenience, it's a life-changing challenge. But here's the good news, you have the power to change this. Today, we're diving into 7 powerful, science-backed foods that can help you rebuild muscle, boost your strength, and reclaim your independence. Now, if you've ever felt like your body is working against you as you age, this video is for you. Stick around because the foods we're about to discuss can make a real difference, and some of them might just surprise you. Before we dive into these powerhouse foods, let's talk about why muscle loss happens in the first place. It's a natural part of aging, a condition called sarcopenia that can start as early as your 30s, but really picks up speed after 60. This gradual loss of muscle mass and strength can lead to balance issues, joint pain, reduced mobility, and even a higher risk of falls. It's not just about looking fit. It's about staying strong enough to live independently and do the things you love. But here's the thing. This muscle loss isn't inevitable. The right foods, paired with regular exercise, can help you rebuild and maintain muscle mass, keeping you strong and energetic well into your golden years. So, let's get into the foods that can make a real difference. Number 1, eggs. When it comes to muscle building, few foods can match the humble egg. Packed with high-quality protein, eggs contain all 9 essential amino acids, including leucine, which is particularly critical for muscle protein synthesis. In other words, it's the kind of protein your muscles crave after a workout or even just a long walk. Imagine waking up in the morning, cracking a couple of eggs, and fueling your body with the exact nutrients your muscles need to rebuild. It's a small habit that can lead to big changes over time. In fact, many of the world's best athletes, bodybuilders, and fitness enthusiasts rely on eggs as a staple in their diets for exactly this reason. So why shouldn't you? And it's not just about muscle. Eggs are also a fantastic source of vitamins B6 and B12, which help your body convert food into energy. This is crucial as you age because maintaining high energy levels is essential for staying active and strong. And if you're worried about cholesterol, recent studies suggest that moderate egg consumption is generally safe for most people. Number 2, salmon. This fatty fish isn't just great for your heart, it's a muscle-building champion too. Salmon is loaded with high-quality protein and omega-3 fatty acids, which can reduce muscle inflammation and improve muscle recovery. Omega-3s also have powerful anti-inflammatory effects, which can help reduce the muscle soreness that often comes with exercise. Think of it this way. Each time you enjoy a piece of salmon, you're giving your muscles the building blocks they need to stay strong, flexible, and resilient. Plus, the healthy fats in salmon can support overall joint health, making movement easier and more comfortable. For those who prefer variety, trout and mackerel offer similar benefits. Number 3, Greek yogurt. If you're looking for a protein boost with the added benefits of probiotics, Greek yogurt is a fantastic choice. It's thicker and creamier than regular yogurt, offering twice the protein content, which can be a game changer for muscle recovery. Plus, the probiotics support gut health, which plays a surprisingly important role in muscle function. Imagine finishing a workout or a long walk and reaching for a bowl of creamy, protein-rich Greek yogurt. It's like giving your muscles a refreshing, nutrient-packed treat. And don't forget, the calcium in yogurt is also crucial for maintaining strong bones, which support your muscles. Number 4, chicken breast. Lean, low-fat, and packed with protein, chicken breast is a go-to for building muscle. It's also rich in B vitamins, which help your body convert food into energy, making it perfect for active seniors who want to stay strong and energized. Picture yourself enjoying a well-cooked, seasoned piece of chicken breast. Not only are you savoring a delicious meal, but you're also fueling your muscles with the protein they crave. It's a powerful combination of taste and nutrition. Number 5, quinoa. Often called a superfood, quinoa is one of the few plant-based proteins that contain all 9 essential amino acids. It's also a good source of magnesium, which supports muscle function and can help reduce muscle cramps, a common issue as we age. Imagine a hearty quinoa salad packed with colourful vegetables. A meal that not only tastes great, but also powers your muscles for the challenges of everyday life. Number 6, almonds. Not just a tasty snack, almonds are loaded with protein, healthy fats and magnesium. This combination makes them excellent for muscle recovery and overall muscle health. They're also packed with antioxidants, which can reduce muscle soreness and inflammation. Think about keeping a small handful of almonds nearby for a quick, nutrient-dense snack. Every handful is like a mini boost for your muscles. Number 7, spinach. This leafy green might not seem like a muscle food, but it's a powerhouse of iron and nitrates, both of which can enhance muscle strength and endurance. Plus, it's rich in magnesium, which helps with muscle contraction and relaxation. Picture adding a handful of fresh spinach to your morning omelette or a hearty salad. You're not just eating greens, you're investing in your muscle strength and endurance. Now, it's not just about adding these foods to your diet. It's about doing it consistently and in the right way. For example, try pairing protein-rich foods like eggs or Greek yogurt with nutrient-dense sides like spinach or quinoa for a balanced, muscle-friendly meal. You can also snack on almonds throughout the day for a quick protein boost. And remember, hydration is key. Muscles are about 75% water, so staying hydrated helps them recover and function properly. Don't forget to drink plenty of water alongside these muscle-boosting foods. Before we wrap up, a quick but important reminder. This video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered medical advice. Always consult with a qualified healthcare provider before making any significant changes to your diet, exercise routine, or lifestyle. Your health is your greatest asset. Take care of it and stay strong. So, if you're serious about rebuilding muscle and regaining your strength, these 7 foods are a great place to start. Remember, it's never too late to take control of your health and live a strong, active life. If you found this video helpful, please give a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel for more senior health tips, and share it with someone you care about. Thank you for watching and stay strong.